Hey, good evening, Map here and Map Investments. Bringing you another stock market video. Hope you all having a great Saturday. Great Saturday here in South Florida. Beautiful weather. See what the temperature is here now. Miami temperature. Nice 77 degrees. Gonna drop to 73 tonight. Actually, it looks like it's showing some rain. It hasn't rained, but it looks a little cloudy. Um, Yesterday, the big news in the market. I didn't do a video yesterday. I got busy with my kiddos' high school soccer game and work, and um, caught up with some family. And it was a Friday night. Um, but the big news on Friday that I saw was while watching these markets was oil. Oil hit 77.59 to bounce back to 80.26. Um, the 5-day chart on the 15-minute time frame, oil was at 89.84 at the beginning of the week, and we basically went down uh, a little bit less than $10, but we did go over $10 during the session yesterday. Um, so that was pretty amazing. The 10-year ended the week at 3.83 of 5 bips. It'll probably be range bound between 3.75 and 4, with the Fed meeting coming up in December, and probably what they're forecasting is a increase of 50 basis points. The dollar was down on the week because we probably started at 107.27, hit 105.34, which that 105 uh, level is a pretty big support level, and we finished the week at almost 107. Foreign currencies mix. Bitcoin hanging around 16.5, and it hasn't. Let's go to Coin Market Cap here on my laptop. It hasn't crashed yet, but I think it will crash. Right now it's at 16.7. I think we're gonna hit 10K with all this fiasco with Freeman crap going on. Um, I have no interest in none of this crap, and I've said it in my prior videos. Best way to trade this stuff, in my opinion, is either get correlated stocks to the to Bitcoin. You could do the Beetle ETF. You could do that, which I have a couple put credit spreads in it. You could do Mara, Riot, maybe supposedly these guys were on CNBC, uh, Silvergate Cap. It's a bank. Um, and there's a couple more. I'm not gonna get into it. Maybe I should have a watch list of those for cryptos to do spreads on them. This one has an IV rank of 96. You guys want to see this the chart on Silvergate? Look at this chart. This is just a 5-day chart, 41 to 24. If I pull up a 180-day chart, this thing was at about a buck 10 to 24. Ridiculous. Look at that on a straight line down. Crazy, crazy action. We talked about oil, and that was the big eye opener yesterday for me. Uh, S&P finished up 16 to 39.71. It was a chop fest, and I'll show you how many future trades I did. I was able to squeak out a gain for the week, um, and I'm very proud of that. And it was mainly because of all the scalps day trades I did in the futures yesterday. Gold down 11, 17.52. Feeders 180. Cattle 152. Hogs 85 almost. So those meat prices are up there. Copper basically hit almost a high of 4 and rolled back to 363 on the week. Small caps 1853 up 10. Uh, Nasdaq flat at 11.7 pretty much. Dow Jones up 184 to 33,765. Palladium and platinum, they're pretty range bound. Here's platinum. Man, I remember buying back in the day. This is a while ago. I I picked up some palladium at 500 bucks, but I would have to go back on the chart when that was like physical coins. I would have to go. I wonder how long ago this was. Probably when the financial crisis, '08, I think it was. Look at that. Palladium was 160 bucks an ounce back in '08. Rise to five. Look at this rise. That's mind-boggling on this metal. Silver should do the same thing, in my wholeheartedly opinion. Um, Silver has to get back to these old highs of 50. I think silver is one of the most undervalued assets on planet Earth. That's just me. Silver is hanging around 20 bucks and 21 bucks an ounce. Nat gas 637. VIX down to 2450. The grains, corn, these things have been pretty stagnant, in my opinion. I did a lot of future trades. You can see here on Friday. Um, I had 47 trades, 47 trades, and I only really did one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. So 37 of the trades were futures, buy and sell. And I ended up having a good day and ended up up on the week, which was amazing. Um, I closed ASC for 50% profit. What did I do with Billy? I closed Billy for a small scratch. I rolled CrowdStrike. So CrowdStrike was up big, but then it gave up all the gains because Palo Alto Networks reported a good quarter, and they're in the same industry, software security, but they have earnings next week, CrowdStrike. So I just rolled it and got bigger credits and see how the earnings does on CrowdStrike. GSK, a big European uh, biopharma company, drug company, closed for 50% profit. I rolled JD.com for another credit and gave myself more time to be correct. Eli Lilly closed for 50% profit. McKesson closed for a 50% profit. North Grum North Grump. I can never say that name of that company for the life of me. It was that day that all those defensive stocks were down. Those were three of them that got closed this Friday. Northrop Grumman. Northrop Grumman. I guess it's like that. Well, anyways, they're like Lockheed Martin and which is the other one? General General Dynamics, maybe? General Dynamics, yeah. Closed that out, and ZYXI, I closed this calendar because it was in the money, and I think I might have lost $5, $10 on the trade. And that was my Friday. My Friday basically consisted of scalping futures, which I'm glad I did. I was just sitting there knocking down here 20 here, 40 here, 50 here. Um, UM's losing 24 nothing. I don't know how some people can say that they were going to beat Clemson. That's just ludicrous. That's crazy. Um, on the week ahead, Market Watch, calendar, economic. The other day I couldn't figure this out here. Don't know why it's doing this to me. So the 20, oh, next week should be slow because we have Thanksgiving, so I would assume it's gonna be slow. And hopefully we have a Santa Claus rally. We'll see what happens. On Monday, I don't really think we have anything on Monday. We got the retail sales numbers. Don't see much. Not with Thanksgiving around. I don't think it's gonna be an active week. The portfolio wise, let me beta weight it to the SPY. These are leaps I have. It's 5, 11 here. I actually got put some stock. I got put TTI. This is a Russian ETF that's closed that I don't know when ever open again. OBE, an energy play out of Canada. RCMT, professional services and businesses company with very high profits, got put to me. And POW got put to me. So basically, I own TTI at 5 minus the credit I collected. I would have to go back and see. OBE 10 minus the credit I collected. RCMT 1750 plus the credit minus the credit I collected is my break even. And POW $5 minus the credit I collected, which I want to say was like $2. Um, so here I have long 11 deltas, 5, 16, 16 deltas, and over here 69. So I'm about 80 deltas long in the portfolio. Um, as of now, and I have about, does it have theta here? Theta is not here. Let me see if I can add theta. Theta is time decay. I don't think I have a lot because the VIX has come down a lot. When the VIX comes down a lot, it's not the best time to be selling options. You want to have a nice bump up in the, oh, here's data, in the VIX, so you can get more premium at 26, uh, 26 uh, theta working for me at the current moment. You know, with the holidays coming up, it's not gonna be too busy. I think this was the big headline of the day, Friday. Oil prices slide 3% of supply fears recede. Um, but I continue to still be bullish on oil with petroleum reserves at, at SPR at 40-year lows. Um, we're still dealing with FTX bullcrap scam. Home Depot did all right. Lowe's did better in this go around of earnings report. Americans plan to bet 1.8 billion on the World Cup. I don't plan to bet one penny. Uh, yeah, there's just not much going on at all. You know, we got that deal with Russia still going on over there in Ukraine, and the markets. Let's take a look at where the indexes are year to date, going into the end of the year. Year to date, nat gas is up 70%, heating oil up 51, orange juice 44. I've been drinking more orange juice every day with carrot juice mix, get my vitamin A and potassium. Soybean oil up 25, VIX 24, rough rice at 19, corn 12, crude 12, the dollar up 11%, cattle up 11, RBOB, which is gasoline 8, oil 671, soybean, wheat, sugar, cattle up 6. Those most are commodities. Like if you look here, lumber's gotten clobber, oats hit hard, coffee down big for the year, Nasdaq down 28, cotton 25, bond 30-year bond 21, copper 18, yen 17, small cap 17, S&P 16. Rough year. Rough year for the markets. Out of the markets, the best one has been the Dow Jones, only down 6. Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is composed of 30 stocks. Um, so it's been a rough year. Rough year. for 401ks and just in general. On the bar chart, I don't think we have a lot of earnings next week. I don't think I, I don't think we will have a lot in the calendar. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Here I think they give you an earnings. No, it's rankings, earnings. So Monday we have 29, Tuesday 41, Wednesday 12, Thursday Thanksgiving, Friday 3. So it'll be a slow week next week. I hope everybody's gonna have a great Thanksgiving, have with your friends and family, and be grateful for everything you have and don't have. Remember, so always someone struggling and worse off. So be thankful for everything, and have a beautiful and blessed, happy holidays. Um, and give the loved ones that you see a hug, and always tell them that you love them. On the bar chart was a lot of red. It was kind of mixed, and the options markets have been pretty. They haven't been too great lately. It's been kind of soft, and I would assume because of the holiday. Um, but if I recommend that you go and do your due diligence here in bar chart. You can see some of the gainers and losers here on the bar chart um, column, and just follow the channel. I try and pick up on the biggest losers and winners on the day and do trades on them. Some of them have bounced back big, and I was able to squeak out a gain this week, and hopefully I can finish off the month pretty strong. We have a slow week next week, then a couple days left after that, and then we'll go into December, and I'm looking forward to December, the holidays, Christmas, Santa Claus, the New Year, and looking really forward to the new year health wise in 23, shed a couple extra pounds and fine tune the channel and the trading and help the subscribers grow their accounts as well. Anyways, be safe, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.